In this video, we will learn how to use RateMyProp.com effectively. First, you need to learn about scores. Scores are the numbers shown on the front and back of the cards after an address is searched. There are two types of scores: characteristic scores and attribute scores. Characteristic scores are shown on the front of the cards. As you can see, there are 6 characteristic scores in total. Attribute scores are shown on the back of the cards. An attribute score belongs to the characteristic score shown on the front of the card. The characteristic scores are there to give you a quick overview of the quality of the property, while attribute scores give you a more detailed information. There is a mathematical relationship between a characteristic score and its attribute scores. A characteristic score is a weighted average of its attribute scores. What is a weight, you may ask? A weight shows how important one attribute is over the other ones when doing the weighted average calculation. The weights used to calculate the characteristic scores are shown in the Settings menu under Preferences. You can increase or decrease the weight of the attributes depending on how much they matter to you. This customization makes characteristic score calculation more relevant to your lifestyle. Let's see an example on how you can use the weights to make sure the results match your needs. For this example, we will pretend that you are a young couple with a 3-year-old daughter and you're looking to rent. In this case, you would like your home to be close to a daycare and possibly parks, but the schools are not needed for at least another 4 years. So you increase the weight for the child care and park and decrease the weight for a school. Once you've made all your changes to the weights, press Refresh Score and see the characteristic scores change. Keep in mind that changing weights will not change the attribute scores. They are calculated differently. In the next video, we will discuss attribute scores and how they are calculated in more detail.